Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is 5 lines speech on Independence Day. Number 1 line. Good morning everyone. Number 2. My name is Rahul. Number 3. Today I am here to speak about Independence Day. Number 4. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Number 5. J. Hind. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.